Some people are very lucky and they're gum disease resistant. We don't know why. It's all immunity, but we don't know all the reasons why. But they can be a bit neglectful and almost get away with it. Not always, but they seem to be lucky. They seem to get through under the radar. But there's a lot of people there too who are very susceptible to gum disease. And it's painless. That's the insidious nature of gum disease. It's painless through all the early stages. And if we leave things to the point when I've got a mobile tooth that moves, it bleeds, I can't chew on it, the gum's receding, I feel like I'm getting long teeth, well, the disease has been happening it doesn't happen overnight. So regular visits, stops, or in most circumstances, will prevent and slow down the process.